Hi, I just want to give you some updates on progress of my project. So after making the crystal radio sound module, I created this for the smartphone. So you can see here, you can insert the smartphone. There's multiple layers. First layer here for the bigger phone like the Samsung or the iPhone 11 or the soon to be released iPhone 12. And the deeper slot here is for the smaller phones like the iPhone 6 or the iPhone SE. And then the speakers output from the phones, whether it's mono or dual stereo, will be feed through to the bottom, these two slots here, where they will be channeled through this into this sound box, and then it will drive the speaker in the middle. And then the gramophone speaker will enlarge the sound a bit by physical means. So you need to close the lid for the sound to be contained, and then there's also an outer lid where you can use the screws to close the gap. If there's a hole here, you can pass the charging cable through the hole. And then through this opening here to the top, where you can have the charging cable hook up to charge your phone while you're listening to the music. So besides this, I have gone ahead to create another style, the rectangular box style. This one has the similar design in terms of plugging in the smartphone. However, I try to make this multi-purpose. So let me hide the lid. And also there is the same design. There's two channel the sound from the smartphone to this sound box. And then if I take out all the lids, you see the design of the sound box is similar, circular. And depending on what equipment you want to use, like the crystal radio mouthpiece, then you hook up the right module and just fasten it with screw, like this one. So you can put in a mouthpiece from crystal radio, and then the mouthpiece will be able to drive the crystal radio output to the gramophone speaker. So this can be connected to the sound box through screws. Okay. In case you want to hook up a bigger speaker, you can use this speaker module. The speaker module allows you to put a big speaker here, so you can drive the gramophone speaker. I also further design the openings at the back for you to plug in install the Bluetooth sound card module. So there are a lot of Bluetooth modules. So, you can buy the circuit board and put in here. Then it's the USB port here, and you can at the same time use the switch to determine whether it's for crystal radio or for the Bluetooth circuit. And you can keep a battery inside and keep charging it. through this charger, this opening for the charger. So it will become a 3-in-1 Bluetooth, crystal radio, and smartphone speaker when this is done. Printing will take around 13 hours just for this sandbox, and 2 or 3 hours for individual modules. This big gramophone will need to be printed in 2 halves. First half 14 hours, second half another 7 hours. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay. Next, I have captured some video for demonstrating the other pieces that I already made for the crystal radio and for the smartphone. Let's hear it. Another design that I printed for the smartphone gramophone speaker. So the channel are similar, but it's shorter because it's a circular design. So let me test it for you. Another nice thing is that I designed this hole here so you can pass your USB charging cable up here, and then when you're listening to the music you can still charge your phone.